Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer, Rhythm and Blues. I'll also be using Ejiubas plus 3140 Baby Girl, sorry. And I've already got on Nailtiques Formula 2. Here is Rhythm and Blues by Bases Loaded Lacquer. Oh yeah, love the flakies. This is a stunner. It's a very pretty polish. It's got a lot of shimmer in it too. It's, loving it, loving it. Capping my free edge here. All right. Hi, Woody. How you doing? He doing good. He does a good job, y'all. So we're going to go in with a second coat of Rhythm and Blues. Yeah. Oh, and it's just building up so pretty. Look how deep. I mean, it's just like those flakies are like floating in it, and the shimmer too. I mean, it's just, but I am going to do a third coat. I do kind of thin coats, so I'm not mad that I have to do a third coat. Pretty happy. I'm going to top it with I&Ms out the door. Going to get this one to dry down. Look at that red and gold shimmer. I mean, in love. And then you got that flaky goodness on top of it. You guys, loving it. All right, there's a swatch photo of it on its own. So I'll be using Ejiubas plus 3140 Baby Girl. It's a mouthful. My H. Le Corsador scraper and an old Konad stamper, and we'll be stamping with Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black, as well as Maniology Evil Eye. Do some double stamping here. So this is the image I'm going to use on most of my nails. I am going to do a different image on my ring fingernail, but we're going to put the black down first. Make sure it's all pretty and on there good. And I'm trying to go down the middle. And it's a little wide, but there is going to be peekaboo on either side of the base color. So I'm cleaning my my stamping plate with some acetone. And then I'm going to go in with that Evil Eye from Maniology and go over the top of where I just stamped. I'm thinking this is going to work out really well. And it does, in my mind. I really like this one. So there we go. Yay, yay. So we're doing the same on the next nail. Gonna get that image and put it in black first into this double stamping. I didn't have time for a reverse stamped mani, so this is what I went with. Ooh, and that Evil Eye is so pretty. I had forgotten it was in my collection, and I spotted it, and I was like, oh yeah, we're using that. Trying to get it lined up. It's really hard to see. There we go. So pretty. All right, we're going to go ahead and take care of the pinky nail before we move on to the accent nail. Get that little pinky nail took care of. Gonna take care of it. Here we go. Ta-da! And now we got to do the red. Blinking right along. This one's pretty quick. Goes along pretty fast. There we have it. All right, I'm going to clean that stamping plate up and the little mat a little bit with my acetone real quick. And then we're going to use a full nail image, but I'm not going to cover the whole nail with it. I'm going to offset it just a little bit. This is the last of this bottle of on the black. I mean, I actually had to dump it upside down to get the last of it. Pitiful. I did have a backup bottle, thankfully. I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of it. I'm going to be lost. All right, so we're going to line this up. Oh, I did go over the whole nail. I thought I was going to leave a space. I meant to leave a space. I really did. But it's all good. Still very pretty. Yep, good image. Let's line it up. I so meant to leave some space on that, but Anywho, moving on. We're going to get some of this excess up with a piece of tape. And I really, really like this one. I know it's a little hard to see with me moving around and all. That's why I always share a swatch photo. I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush here real quick. Get some of this tidying up stuff done so I can finish this one. Yep. I am going to top this with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. Isn't that pretty? Oh. And once that dries down, I will be going in with my quick dry glossy top coat. And today I'm going to be using Poshe. And just get a nice layer of that over everything. All the way to the side, girl. I love the way the top coat makes stamping just pop. It's one of my favorite moments of a manicure. It just makes me so happy. Very pretty. Alright, I'm going to do that pinky nail too. Now you can't see much peekaboo on the pinky nail because it's so little, but it's still got a little bit. You guys know when I get to playing, I just go overboard. So, nope. No calming down this girl. She's always going to be doing overboard, I guess. Alright, we're going to have to get Woody back out here. Hey, Woody, how you doing? Thank you. Good job. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.